He's got his hat on. He is ready, boy. We're gonna go check out some C10s. We're currently at the house. It's gonna be about an hour and a half drive for us, but it's gonna be no time for you guys. We'll see you in Waxahachie at C10s in the park. Okay, it's just before lunchtime. We got our wagon ready. We got the sister ready. Little toothless smile. Mama got her freaking breakfast and coffee, bro. Let's go see what we can see.
Man, ain't that some that you hate to grow up and miss? Hate to think of what if I didn't even know what a honey hole with a zip code when my jeans rolled and a painted skull in my lip. Even is, they say we ain't got a pot to piss, but I thank God for this. Ain't that some back home, but it's in the field, mud on the whiz. Yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a two-lane road. Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y? We've been doing since we was J-High. There's folks out there ain't T-R-Y.
We literally just walked in, and I mean, this place is just packed full of C10s, beautiful truck. And I know, what do you think about this big monster truck behind you, Bubba? You see it? The big monster truck?
Like it?
You like it? Is it pretty cool? Oh yeah. The other cool thing about this for the kiddos, this is actually a park. Like, that's why it's called C10s in the park.
Duh.
And there is a little playground area, which the kids have already been asking me about, so we're definitely going to be visiting that here later on. But weather's nice, a little warm, but anyway, back to cool trucks.
Ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a two-lane road. Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y? We've been doing since we was J-High. There's folks out there ain't T-R-Y this. Man, ain't that some, ain't that some, ain't that some, ain't that some. But it's in the field, mud on the whiz. Yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a two-lane road. Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y? We've been doing since we was J-High. There's folks out there ain't T-R-Y this. Ain't that some back home? Ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado? Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y? We'll be doing this till the day we die. There's folks out there ain't T-R-Y this. Ain't that some, 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 ain't that some. Yeah, come on, are you ready for it, for the new turn? Let's go.
No, sorry, bud. What do you think?
It's great.
You like all the cool trucks?
I like all of them.
Yeah? What do you think, Bubba? You like all the cool trucks?
at the monster.
You wanna look at the monster trucks? What do you think about the park?
It's awesome.
That's nice with the shade. Here, hey, you wanna take the viewers down the slide?
Yes.
Okay.
Fastest ride.
We ain't take my church yet, man. Let's go all the way with it, man. What we doing?
Jesus is real, I know. How you gon' tell me? I know.
Come on.
Jesus is real, I know. How you gon' tell me? I know. Jesus is real, I know. How you gon' tell me? I know. Jesus is real, I know. How you gon' tell me? I know.
Slipping, falling, losing all my balance. Tripping, stalling, afraid of my absence. Don't know the stay or to go. I don't have a peace anymore. I know that I can't find my way if I keep flying alone. Hey. Inside my heart I know that I still need your love. If I hop out this plane, I can't jump on my own. I'm losing altitude, cause I come alive when I'm crashing into you. Don't need a parachute, cause I'm on the way. I'm not afraid of the fall, or the damage. I'll be safer on the ground, even if I...
You're not fooling me, Dodge. You're not fooling me.
Cause I know this where you're found. I close my eyes and enjoy the ride, even though it's a long way down. I'm not afraid of the fall. I'm not afraid of the fall. Whoa. So much wind inside my face, but only I can breathe. Deception in my eyes, but somehow I can see. I'm diving faster, faster. I see the ground coming. You said that I should jump, so I know I'll be okay. I'm losing attitude, cause I come alive when I'm crashing into you. Don't need a parachute, cause I'm on the way. I'm not afraid of the fall, or the damage. I'll be safer on the ground, even if I lose it all. I welcome the challenge, cause I know this where you're found. I close my eyes and enjoy the ride, even though it's a long way down. I'm not afraid of the fall. I'm not afraid of the fall. Whoa, way too late to turn back now. Swim through clouds on my way down. Way too late to turn back now. Ooh, I'm not afraid of the fall or the damage. I'll be safer on the ground, even if I lose it all. I welcome the challenge, cause I know this way you're
106. I know y'all can see that. Now that's not actual tip. That's just reading on the dash, but I guarantee you it's probably, I don't know, somewhere in the ballpark of 95 to 100 degrees, but it probably feels like 106 outside. We caught one of the most humid days. This is such a great venue, such a great show, but with two little ones, we brought water. We came what we thought prepared, and I still think we were under prepared. You can't control the weather. What'd y'all think? Did y'all have fun?
Yeah, fun.
That's all that matters. I know you got hot. Did you at least have a good time?
I did.
Well, shout out to this company here, Pro Billet Wheels. They hooked it up with a koozie and some stickers, stuff like that. Never done business with them other than getting a free koozie. That's the only reason I'm giving a shout out. And then HyLoTv and C10 Vatos. I know you guys saw that in the video, me filming the booth. Huge shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome. They hooked the kids up with some free stickers, stuff like that. They didn't have to do it. I'm already a fan of both those companies. Huge supporter of HyLoTv as far as YouTube goes. If y'all don't know, go check them out. Go check both of them out on all the socials actually. But anyway, I would feel like I didn't do my due diligence if I didn't give them a shout out. Made it this far, be sure to do all that right across my face. I greatly appreciate it. Again, you know, those who continue to support and come back to the channel. And if it's your first vid, go check out some of the other stuff if you're bored. Anyway, greatly appreciate it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.